people want DevOps because it eliminates waste in the organization. That's the first part. So in the past where you did things manually, then you would spend a lot of time building software, manually testing it, manually packaging it, manually deploying it. And in general, that waste meant that you did those things less frequently. So when you automate these processes, you get faster speeds, which means that it's less friction in that process, so people do it more often. But because you're kind of industrializing these processes, it builds higher quality in. So think about it from like a factory floor perspective. Instead of everyone trying to figure it out manually, if you have a production line where everything goes through set stations and step processes automatically, then you actually improve the quality as well.